Hello, hi guys, welcome to DNA Education channel. Today we are going to discuss numerical methods, in which there are methods. One of the most important method, that is bisection method. Okay, now we are going to discuss what is bisection method and how to find the approximate root of bisection method. Okay, so we can directly move on bisection method. So first example is find the approximate root of given equation. The equation is x cube minus 5x square minus 3 is equal to 0. This is our given equation, so we will write it as it is. Given equation, okay, given equation, given equation is x cube minus 5x square minus 3 is equal to 0. Now we should have to take manual values to insert at x. Okay, now if we want to find the approximate root of given equation, so we will write we have to find approximate root of given equation. Okay, given equation is this. Now we should have to put the values of x in equation 1. This is equation 1. We should have to put the value of x in given equation. After that we should have to know the sign changes from which points, from the root lies in between which 2 points. Okay, that we have to find. Now first we will put x is equal to 0 in equation 1. If we put x is equal to 0, then the equation becomes, suppose f of x is equal to x cube minus 5x square minus 3 is equal to 0. This is our f of x. Now we have to put x is equal to 0, then the value of x cube, that is 0 cube minus 5x 0 square minus 3 is equal to 0. Then the f of 0 is, the value is minus 3. 0's cube is 0 and 0 square 0, 0 into any number that is also 0, and minus 3 as it is. This is the value of f of 0, that is minus 3. Then after that, if we are going to put 1 at instead of x, at that time we will get the value of, we should have to put x is equal to 1 in equation 1. So we get take it 1 cube minus 5 into 1 square minus 3, then is equal to 1, that is 5, and this is 3. This is minus plus, minus 1 minus 8, that is minus 7. Okay, this is our f of 1 value, but the sign doesn't change from 0 to 1. If the sign changes, at that time we know the root lies in between that 2 points. Okay, now we will insert as it is samely f of 2, f of 3, f of 3, f of 4. We can directly put the value of f of 5 because the sign changes from f of 5. Okay, now we will put x is equal to 5, then the answer becomes 5 cube minus 5 into 5 whole square minus 3 is equal to 0. This will get, we will get final answer is minus 3. We should have to use here scientific calculator. Using this scientific calculator we can solve numerical methods easily. Now similarly we should have to put x is equal to 6. Okay, if we put f is equal to 6 in equation 1, then we will get that 5 into 6 whole square minus 3 is equal to 0. Then the answer becomes 33. So here is a positive sign, here is a negative sign, hence the sign changes from, hence we should have to write here, hence sign changes from 5 to 6, that is -3 to +33. It can be sign changes from this point to this point. So now we receive the sign changes from negative to positive, okay, that is -3 to 33. Now we are going to make a table, we are going to draw a table, that is we are going to draw a table that is as like x1, we will take x1, then we will take x2, and then we will take the value of h, then f of x1, then f of x2, then f of h. This is our values. We know the equation which can use for find h. Hello, hi guys. Now we have taken this value x1, x2, h, f of x1, f of x2, and f of h. Now when we are finding, we are going to find h. If we are finding h, then we have a formula of bisection method, that is h is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2. Then now this f of this h value we have to put in equation this 1, in equation 1, then we will receive f of h. If we put h 5.5 instead of this here x, then we will receive here 12.125. okay, so here now we have to take sign didn't changes, so we will take 5 as it is, then we should have to take this 5.5 is here at f of x2, and then again we have to find f of x1, then f of x2, and then f of h. So if we are going to insert f5 in equation 1, we will receive once again -3, and if we are going to insert 5.5 in equation 1, if we are going to put 5.5 in equation 1, then we will receive 12.125. Here we have we will take this value as it is here, this value take as it is here. Okay, now we have to find f of h, only h. So 5 plus 5.5 divided by 2, we have to use this formula to finding h. So the value of h is 5.25. we have to use here calculator, scientific calculator. By using this we can easily solve the answer. So now we have to put 5.25 in equation 1. If we are going to put this value 5.25 in equation 1, then we will receive 3.8906. okay, again sign didn't change here, so we will take this value as it is here and 5.25 as it is here. So this value is as it is here because sign doesn't change. So if we are insert 5 in equation 1, we will receive -3, then 5.25, this value we have to insert in equation 1. After 5.25 inserting in equation 1, then the f of x2, then the f of x2 is 3.8906. sign here doesn't change, so that's why we are going to take this value as it is here. Okay, now we have to find h. Similarly, we have to find 5, we have to find h, then x1 plus x2 upon 2, this is our formula. We have to insert 5 plus 5.25 divided by 2. If we 5.5 plus 5.25 inserted here, we will receive 5.125. okay, now we have find h. right now we have to know the f of h. Using this h we will find f of h, that is 0.283, 0.2832. Okay, by using this method, by using this formula, we will find f of h. Similarly, sign didn't changes, so once again we will insert here this value 0.2832, this one 5 as it is, this minus 1 to 5 we will take at this side, that is 5.125, and this x, we know the value of f of x1, that is minus 3, we will taking as it is because of sign didn't changes, negative to positive. So we have to find h, the value of h, 5 plus 5.125 divided by 2, that is 5.0625, and this value we have to insert in equation 1. If we are going to put this value in equation 1, we will receive minus 1.3981. Okay, now after this sign changes, okay, here sign changes, so this sign change value negative, we will now this is minus 1.3981, value sign changes, so that's why negative sign we will take as it is here, minus 1.3981. okay, we will take at here. After that, when we are going to take f of x1, so we know the value of x1, because if we insert this value, sign changes from here, the value of x1 is 5.0625. this value we will take as it is here because sign changes from positive to negative, so that's why. Now we have to take x2. x2 is our as it is, because this positive sign changes positive to negative. So h, now we have to find h, then x1 plus x2 divided by 2, x1 plus x2 divided by 2 is equal to our h. So 5.0625, 5.0625 plus 5.125 divided by 2 is the value of 5.0937. okay, now we have to find the value of x2, then we have to put this 5.125 in equation 1, so we get the value as it is, that is 0.2832. okay, 0.2832, and now we have to find the f of h, then we have to insert this 5.0937 in equation 1. If we insert this again there, so we will get minus 0.2832, then we will get only 0.568. okay, now we got 0.568. hence similarly we should have to take again this value at this side, and we have to solve the equation. So by this procedure you can easily solve bisection method, and our final answer is x0 is equal to 5.1147. our approximate root is 5.1147. this is our bisection method. I hope guys you should understand. If you didn't understand, then tell me in comments, I will solve once again this method. okay, thank you.